How to turn off comment ranking on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off comment ranking on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now just go down until you find this one, followers and public content, and now click on this comments ranking, and as you see comments ranking has been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.